better. Oh, you can't get one more out of that? Hold on.
Wait. Oh, I'm getting impatient. Yeah, this thing's got to stop there. There's no bit on there. You gotta fuck yourself. You got it. Pops, hold this thing. Hold this. Point it right at there. It's filming. Watch out. You see this? So we show people a trick, the technique. Oh, it came off. You must have missed the weld. You alright?
Nice job.
You must have missed the weld.
Go the other way, from the long side.
Gotta dig a dam.
What's the other side?
Let him wash his hands. There might be some in there, up in the cabinet, there's some Band-Aids. That's all right, we'll get it.
We gotta get tape. Shut it off. Injured.